Hi, Mayor Tyler with another COVID-19 community update. It's been a while since our last video and I wanted to share where we're at, remind you of available resources, and answer some COVID-related questions that have been directed to my page. It has been nearly a year since our whole world changed, and I offer my sympathies to anyone whose life was touched by loss since the pandemic started. Whether this loss was a result of the virus, or you were unable to attend the funeral of a loved one due to the public health restrictions, this has truly been a hard time for many. Please know you are not alone, and while healing is a process that takes time, there are resources and supports available to help you along the way at Wetaskiwin.ca. As of today, Wednesday, February 17th, 2021, there are 20 active COVID-19 cases within the city of Wetaskiwin, as reported by Alberta Health Services. We are doing exceptionally well, and I thank those of you who have followed and continue to follow provincial public health orders. We aren't out of the woods yet, and will likely have to deal with these restrictions for a while longer, as immunizations aren't scheduled for the general public until later this fall. You can find out more about Alberta's immunization plan at alberta.ca/COVID-19. I've heard concerns about the COVID-19 variants and wanted to briefly speak to this. Variants are viruses that have changed or mutated while reproducing inside the infected person's cells. The variant can be spread to others and may continue to mutate as it moves from person to person. The new variant strains of COVID-19 were identified in the United Kingdom, South Africa, and Brazil. These strains are known as variants of concern, as they appear to spread more easily than the other COVID-19 strains. The province of Alberta is monitoring for these variants of concern, and confirmed variant cases are updated on Tuesdays and Fridays. Currently, Alberta's Central Zone has recorded 45 cases of the United Kingdom variant and 0 cases of the South African variant. For more information about these variants, visit alberta.ca/COVID-19. I was recently asked about the mask bylaw on my mayor's Facebook page and wanted to share my answer on here as well for clarity. While the City of Wetaskiwin had passed a temporary face coverings bylaw in September last year, which came into effect once Wetaskiwin reached 15 COVID positive cases, our province's Chief Medical Officer of Health issued a mandatory order which requires that face masks be worn in all indoor places throughout Alberta. This means we must continue to mask up until the provincial order is lifted, and Wetaskiwin has seen less than 15 cases within a 30-day time span. We continue to update the city's COVID portal, and I encourage you to sign up to receive update notifications. Simply visit covidwetaskiwin.ca and enter your email into the sign-up box on the bottom right hand of the page. Until next time, please be safe and be kind.